It's bread day. You know what that means? Time to make some eggy bread. First, you gotta crack your eggs. You know, crack them in the bowl, and then mix them. Cause you're gonna dunk the bread in there before you fry it. Alright, good job. Now, next step, you gotta whisk the eggs, like mix them. I'll just cut to it because it takes a long time. The technique is terrible, but you get the idea. You just go. Yep, you sure do. All right, now we're doing vegetables. I'm gonna cut some mushrooms. You know, just peeling them. I'm gonna cut them. I'm gonna do some green onions. It's gonna be epic, as the kids say. Look at me go! I'm cutting. I gotta cut up the onion because I'm being fancy with this, I guess. Well, fancy is adding an onion. You know what I mean. Listen, I gotta make some good eggy bread. Make Binley proud. Binley's never gonna be proud of me. Let's be honest. Yes, we've done it. Now we fry, I guess. Just gonna add like a little bit of oil. Now we add our vegetables. We just gotta let them fry, you know, just in the oil. It's going great. This is good. I'm gonna say that's done. It smells really good. I'm just gonna take that off the heat and turn that down. Oh boy! Now we gotta find a plate. All right, now we got the egg. We gotta add the bread. So we're gonna just do some of that, you know. I don't know how many to do. I'll do 2. I'm gonna get rid of the crust. I normally eat the crust, but I don't know. I've never made eggy. I'll do one with crust and one without and see which is better. That's smart. I'm a genius, you know. There we go. I guess we'll do this one first. So Finley said just add it. Just go, you know. Just gonna add it. This is what he did. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gotta wait for it to cook, I guess. I don't know if it's cooking or not. I don't want it to stick though, so I'm just gonna like, there we go. Eggy bread. Bread pog. Yo, it doesn't look awful. Oh my god. I'm cooking. I'm doing something practical. I know I wasn't hungry, but like I did it. Alright, I think it's ready. I'm guessing that it's ready. I hope. Now I'm just gonna, I don't want it to tear, but oh! Yes, lads! We go! You should be good to flip, I hope. Yo, look at him! He's a big boy. It looks kind of cool. We got the eggy bread! I did it. I did Finley's eggy bread. Now, with the rest of it, I guess I just add it in, like that. I want an scrambled, so I'm just gonna World's quickest scrambled egg. Speedrun. We did it! Ayo! Eggy bread! It's done. Complete. I'm very proud. It's pretty good. I'll give it like a 6.5 out of 10.